Hi everyone. So now I'm going to briefly show you JSTOR. I'm on the MLK library homepage. I'm still on searching periodicals and databases. You go over here where it says multiple subjects and you're going to click on JSTOR. JSTOR has a lot of peer-reviewed articles. There's not much magazines or newspapers, but there's a lot of peer-reviewed. As you can see, here is the search bars right here. You can do author, item title, abstract, caption. Here's your Boolean operators. You can add as many boxes as you want. Let's see, here's where you can narrow your results, articles, reviews, books, research reports. You can change the language. Here's your publication date. And then here's some filters if you want to be in a certain specific area that you want to search. You can click on any one of these. But I'm just going to go in and start my basic search. And so I just put in bullying and high school students and impact. And it did all of those for me, all the parentheses and all that. You can just type something in and it will separate it for you, which is a nice little tool. So here I have 8,296 results, so I'm definitely going to need to filter some of these. So I'm going to go over here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to put in a publication date. And then it went down a little bit, so now I just have to start scrolling, or I can just click on journals and that'll take it down a little bit. And then I just start scrolling to see what I can find. I'm just going to click on this top one right here to show you. So here's where you can download the PDF. Over here on the left-hand side, you have the article, the authors. You can cite this item just by clicking that, going to the MLA. Here's the abstract. And then up over here, I'm going to click on download PDF. And this one says it's 11 pages also, which still for peer review, that's kind of short. Sometimes you'll find some that are 30, 40 pages long. There's a lot of research in there. Let's see. So here's bullying and individual factors. That sounds like it would be something interesting. Methodology. These are research studies whenever they use the methodology, which also makes them different from the popular sources like magazines and newspapers because they actually do studies. So up over here, up at the right-hand side, there's the print function, and then there's the download. Oops. So yes, when you click the download button, it does save it to your file. I just made sure that it did. I didn't want to show you my files or anything. So, but yes, it does work, which is great. Usually when people try to do this from the school computers in the library, they have to put in their credentials, the same ones they use to sign on to the databases when you are at home. So that's something good to remember if you're ever at the library and you need to download something. So I clicked the refresh button and went back, and I just wanted to show you, you can email it to yourself too by clicking share and clicking on email and saving it. Those are all great features on this. Let me go back and do one more search. So I was going to do one more search just to show you. This time I use cyberbullying and students, and I'm going to click submit. And this one brought me 397 results. I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side and do some filters. It brought me down a little bit. Let's see. So you can just keep scrolling and there'll be a little bit of information of what it's about right here on the front page. So you don't have to necessarily go to the full PDF. You can get a sense of kind of what it's about just by looking at some of the keywords that are highlighted, some of the information. So yeah, JSTOR is great for finding peer-reviewed articles. If you're not finding what you're looking for in the Academic Search Complete or Opposing Viewpoints as far as peer-reviewed articles go, I would definitely try JSTOR because they have a ton of great stuff in this database. I'm not going to go too much more into using the Boolean operators and searching because I covered that in week 3. If you need to go back over that, please do so. Look over the week 3 material and the tutorials. So that's it for this database. Any questions? Email me, okay?